Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year. We finally made it. We're finally in 2021. Hallelujah, thank God. And you know, last year I didn't set any resolutions for the year, and not gonna lie, I had a pretty shit year. Right? So after the year I had last year, I decided I do want to set resolutions this year. I do want to set goals. I do have things I would like to get done this year as it turns out. So I thought I would share some of them with you guys. I've been going through so many different ideas with filming lately. I'm kind of at a place where I've just been having so many ideas lately, honestly, that I don't even know where to begin with half of them. But I mean, that just starts out my first resolution, which is put more effort into video editing. I definitely tried to up my quality of videos this year. Hopefully y'all noticed. But I definitely didn't push myself on every single video. I didn't try on every video to be more creative, but I definitely want to work on my video editing skills. I edit on Adobe Premiere Pro and it is just so vast in what it can do. I feel like I know about this much right now. So first goal is definitely more creative video editing. Second resolution I have is to walk more. My husband and I take a lot of walks right at the lake where we live. Honestly, we have a really nice area to walk around, so I have like no excuse to not walk more. I put walk more because I originally had exercise more, but just writing that down and seeing exercise, like the word exercise triggered me on my list. I had to change it to walk more because walking doesn't sound nearly as intimidating to me as exercising. So that's just how my brain works. That's how I had to phrase it, but walk more. I would definitely like to walk more in the new year. The next resolution I have set for myself is to stay organized. I got really into organizing about the second half of this year. I have pretty much gone through every single room, cabinet, drawer in our entire apartment and organized and cleaned out all of them. Don't know where this came from. Oh my gosh, every bit of me is holding back from taking a trip to the Container Store right now, like every single bit of me. With this new passion of organizing in my life and having things clean and just organized and everything has a home, it really helps with me being cleaner and keeping our place picked up in general. Everything just looks so nice. I'm really into it, but I would like to stay organized in the new year and keep up with the systems that I have put in place. I think that'll just overall make my life easier and more peaceful. And anytime my place is clean and organized, I honestly feel, and this is gonna sound weird probably, but I feel like richer automatically. I'm like, oh, like, yeah, I automatically feel richer because my place is clean. Like just having a clean space does a lot for you. But hey, I mean, sometimes you just gotta keep watching Netflix, am I right? Next goal on my list is to get my bow tattoos fixed. I have 2 bow tattoos on the back of my legs. I got them with one of my friends for her birthday, and they're just obviously colored uneven. One is much lighter than the other. They're just not even, not well done, not a lot of thought put into them. So I would like to get those reworked at some point because I love those tattoos, honestly. I think they're cute, I think they're dainty, I love them, but I just hate how shittily they're done. I got my half sleeve reworked in 2020 and that really opened my eyes to like, wow, like I can have tattoos I like. I don't have to be stuck with like bad tattoos my whole life. So next up on the tattoo rework extravaganza is my bow tattoos. Something I definitely want to work on more in 2021 is the piano. I've been playing piano since I was about 5. I love it. I play by ear almost exclusively, but I also really love those YouTube videos where like the keys are lit up and stuff, but it like shows you all the bars. I'll post a photo or something here so you can see what I'm talking about. I love videos like that. Those are incredibly useful for me figuring out songs, and thankfully enough, there's one for like every song on YouTube. Playing piano is just very satisfying and it's a lot of fun. It's something I really enjoy doing, but it's not something I practiced often enough. Like songs that I've learned in the past have left my brain, which is so frustrating. So for those reasons, I would like to practice piano more and not let that talent go to waste. I feel like the last two resolutions I have set kind of go hand in hand, and that is journaling and meditating. I've fallen off the wagon with journaling completely in 2020, so I would definitely like to pick it back up this year. I used to journal every single day, all day, every day, but I also used to be in high school sitting in front of a desk where I had somewhere to properly write in a journal for like 6 hours a day. Now that I am not sitting in front of a desk ever, it's difficult to find like time. I have to make time for journaling. It's not something that's just like gonna fall into my routine. I have to make time to set aside to sit down and journal now. But it does really help me think about things. It does help me kind of clear my head a little and like get my thoughts out and just feel kind of like heard, even though I'm not really talking to anyone. I also kind of really like my privacy. Ironically enough, here I am sharing my whole life with y'all. That's because I know I'm a small YouTuber. Like, I'm such a small channel. No one cares, right? So I can just say whatever I want. It's kind of freeing. But journaling is something I miss. I miss having that. That was kind of like me time that I used to get a lot, and I miss doing that. So I definitely am gonna start journaling again. And meditation, I've never done. I think I've tried meditation once in my life, just the once. So I've never meditated. I've never been taught how to meditate. I have no idea what I'm getting into, but it's something I really want to start doing this year. Even if it's just for 5 minutes, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day, I want to do some form of meditation at least every week. We're already a few days into the new year and you know, I haven't done anything yet, but I want to try and I want to start doing that. Luckily for me, there's a new series on Netflix. It's called Headspace Guide to Meditation. I believe Headspace is a very popular, I feel like I have a hair right here, hold on. It's a very popular meditation app. It's probably like the #1 meditation app. I'm sure you've heard some YouTuber be sponsored by Headspace at some point. I've never used the app, but I am curious to watch that series. Oh my God, where is the hair? Ow, ow, where? Found it, it was a cat hair. I would just like to be able to kind of clear my head more easily. Oh my God, what is in my eyeball? I would really like some help focusing with meditation and clearing my head and just being able to get a sense of quiet. I don't know if you would call this one a resolution or not, but my husband and I definitely want to take a trip to the Grand Canyon. That's been on our list for a while. We were going to do it, but then I decided we should move to Austin instead, so we did that. And then when we were gonna do it again, coronavirus hit, and yeah, we've been putting it off ever since then. But I think we're gonna try and go over like spring break time. We don't know. I mean, we'll see where the world's at by then. Hopefully my husband and I will both have been vaccinated by then. I think we will be, because we're pretty much next up in line for the vaccine. I work at a grocery store, so I get the vaccine soon, which I'm a little nervous about, but I'm overall excited, I guess. I'm excited for, I mean, progress, right? This is progress, so I'm excited for progress. I think that's everything. I think that is all of my resolutions for 2021. Do you guys make resolutions? I know a lot of people kind of look down on resolutions and are almost like too cool for them. That's fine. If you need to be too cool for resolutions, you can be, sure. And don't get me wrong, like I was too cool last year, you know? Like it's a balance. Some years I do them. It's not something I do like religiously, like have to make a New Year's resolution. It's not like that. I just feel like I haven't talked to you guys properly in a little while, so I really wanted to sit down and just say, hi, hello, happy new year. Hope you're doing well, hope you're staying safe. I think there's something lodged in my eyeball, whether it be cat hair or a rogue piece of dust, so I guess I'm gonna go. But thank you guys for being here. 2020 was a super shit year, but I mean, I had a great time on YouTube still. I did a lot of things that I really wanted to do for me and made a lot of the content that I wanted to put out. And that's what I really love about my channel, is even though I'm such a small channel and I don't make a living off of YouTube. It's very freeing and it's very nice to have a place that's just mine where I have total control. I can do everything how I want to do on my schedule. I can dress how I want, use the language I want, talk about what I want, film about what I want. I'm not plugged into like a hole. I don't have to do beauty. I don't have to do lifestyle. I don't have to do cooking. I can do all of them. So thank you for that. Thank you for being here and encouraging me. Your comments mean the world to me. It's really refreshing that I almost never get bad comments because once again I'm so small, but it's just nice. Thank you guys. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, let me know, resolutions or not. Hope you're all doing well again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.